What's up, YouTube? Kid G5150 here. It is 6:53 on 1/11/2003 Friday night. We are breaking box number 4 of our mini boxes. I'd like to thank everyone for getting in our mini boxes. That's kind of cool. I like boxes, cases. We did pull a Robert Turbin helmet out of Sterling. And of course we're starting with the Absolute. Alright, first card, Santana Moss. Brian Arakpo, Gridiron Force. Yeah, the Gridiron Force is numbered. What's the number 2?
41 of 100.
41 of 100 on the Brian Arakpo. Brian Quick. Pretty big jersey cut there for the Rams. And Willis McGahee. Last card is going to be a Cam Newton. Pack 2, break 4. Got one more break out after this, guys. You know what, Crodad, it's hard to say. All it says on it is it's a helmet. And Dan's gonna look into it now, but when I've researched or when I've gotten redemptions like that, I've gotten full jerseys, not just a jersey card, but a full jersey. And as far as I understand, it's helmets, cleats, gloves, jerseys are part of their redemption. So it will pretty much could be a full helmet, a replica helmet. So continuing on, Bowman Sterling, DeVere Posey. It's like his 3rd card tonight. Keyshawn Martin. Jeff Demps. Jerron Kreiner, rookie auto blue, 88 of 99 for the Raiders. And last card is going to be a Bernard Pierce for the Ravens. Didn't do too bad last week. Coming in to visit my Broncos.
Ravens, did you say? That's yours, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay. This says here, autographed helmets. Redemption cards for player autographed team helmets. It's new. So let's see. This one says... Oh, let me get this one. Sorry. Kind of showing the hits in a sec.
The 2 cards we have to send for are, one of them's a helmet for a Robert Turbin. The next one, let me see that.
Doug Martin.
And the next one was a Doug Martin. Oops.
That was Doug Martin.
Okay, so Robert Turbin was one of them. Helmet card, redemption, and the other one was a Doug Martin. Doug Martin, War Room Signatures, card number 13 out of Panini Absolute.
Here's the 3 hits for this box number 4.
3 hits for box number 4. Brian Quick for the Rams. Bernard Pierce for the Ravens. Jerron Kreiner.
And the Arakpo was number 2.
And we had a Brian Aracapo numbered card as well. We're on break 5. Alright guys, we're going to put break 5 all into one here. So here we go. Last 2 packs, guys. Bowman Sterling, break 5. Good luck. So far we've seen some pretty decent cards. Waiting for that one stunner. The stunner. Break 5. Devon Steele for the Bengals. Chris Givens for the Rams. For the Lions, number 5 of 50. It looks like it's going to be a gold. Offensive tackle Ryan Reef for the Lions. Gold, number to 50.
Stanford? What did you say?
Huh?
I was reading.
The hit is going to be Harrison Smith. From what BB and Little BB say, they really like this guy.
Oh, he's pretty good.
Yeah.
Smith. Yeah.
He's been coming on. Harrison Smith, and that's an auto for the Vikes. And the last card is going to be a very nice Prism 29 of 47 2-color David Wilson for the Giants. Very nice David Wilson. That's number 29 of 47 for the Giants. Pack 1, last pack, pack 2. Super Melvin for the Chargers, Melvin Ingram. Andre Brantz for the Jags. Rookie card. Defensive end. For the Bucks, Levante David, number 3 of 99 blue for the Bucks.
Rookie too.
Yep, he is a rook. The auto is going to be Dan Heron for the Bengals. Rookie auto. And the last card is going to be Trent Richardson for the Browns. That's a jersey card. Alright guys, I'm going to stop that here.